Okay, so I was gonna do a vlog today about like my TTCing and kind of like feeling so bruisey and all this, but I have just come down with really bad tonsillitis. My throat is so bad. If you guys have seen my, oh god, it just hurts to swallow. If you guys have seen my Instagram story, go and check me out. I think it's at, is it at Corrine? I don't know. All the links are down below, so please go and follow me on there because I put like little stories and stuff up. Because I've just like worked out how to do it because I'm just like down with the cool kids now. So guys, I've just taken the kids to school. Charlie's at nursery school, Harry's at school, and I'm literally feeling so poorly. It is about nearly 10 o'clock and I've got a doctor's appointment at 11. Then I have to go and pick Harry up at 12, so I'm just literally sat here eating like melted chocolate and yogurt and like things that are really smooth on the back of my throat. I don't know if you can see, let me see if I can show you. So bad. No sexual remedies, please do not write anything like that down below because that is not funny. Matt's already offered me everything like that. Guys, I'm so ill. Christmas tree and our pretty kitty. Hi. Hi, Lily. So yes, guys, I have taken another APK today and it was like quite dark, but I should be like ovulating about now. Like according to my ovulation calendar and my flow calendar, I should be ovulating right now. So I don't really know why I'm not. I literally got like 1 day of egg white cervical mucus and that was it, so I'm not quite sure what's going on. But if you haven't already seen my cervical mucus video, I'll link it down below. Please hit that subscribe button to follow me, and hopefully the next time I see you I will be so much better because literally just like swallowing hurts. I was up all night last night taking like ibuprofen, paracetamol, codeine, but the thing is you can't really take codeine on an empty stomach and you can't really take ibuprofen on an empty stomach because ibuprofen strips the lining of your stomach and codeine makes you feel so sick. So I was like, I don't know what to do, I don't feel very well and everyone's asleep. So I'm feeling super sorry for myself at the moment, but I hope you enjoy this little update and I'll see you again soon. Bye ladies.